Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure the phone has power and a stable connection. Plug into charger if needed, and connect to trusted Wi-Fi. This prevents interruptions and large data charges. Once done, back up your photos and settings to cloud or PC so you can restore if something goes wrong. Next, open Settings and check About Phone to see your current color OS build. Confirm you have at least 2 GB free. Now proceed to Software Update to fetch the latest package. You tap Check for updates, and once an update appears, hit Download while remaining on Wi-Fi. This avoids mobile data overages. While it downloads, read the changelog so you know what changes are coming and why they matter. After download, accept any installation prompts and allow the updater to unpack the files. The system may restart several times. Make sure you do not force close the updater or power off the phone. Let the process complete to avoid corrupting the firmware. Once the installation finishes, you'll see a final reboot. After it boots, check Settings right arrow About Phone to confirm the new build. Test apps and connectivity. If you notice glitches, try clearing app caches or rebooting again to resolve transient issues. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps and only then consider restoring your backup. If none of these work, gather logs and contact Oppo support for guided help. This helps technicians pinpoint the failure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.